Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. This is my subject today. I shot for a long time ago. I shot a 4x5 reversal film long time ago. Well, this is a real close-up. So huge ring. Sapphire. Okay. Well, this is simple close-up shot, and I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges. I don't know if I'm going to use that pencil drawing type image or if I'm going to use or not. Well, just keep it here, and I have this main subject. Well, what kind of image I'm gonna make? I don't know. Let's see. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna duplicate layer, then just keep the base image and turn it off. I'm gonna work on this main close-up image with just smudge it first, as always. Then let's see. Maybe I'm gonna make mask and reveal, show the real photo image, I think. But I don't know what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna choose brush, smudge tool, evolve. I really like this texture of this. Okay, let's use it, smudge it. Even though it's out of focus here, but such a nice sapphire. I don't know if I gonna go on inside the stone because I don't wanna break these sapphires, this light. I don't know. Just touch, real soft touch. Just let it see, just like a drawing type image. Just using this evolve to smudge it as if drawing these jewelries. Well, that's about it. Or main image here, then after that all others are bokeh of the lens. Nice out of focus image. Well, now I will, let's see about this pencil drawing type. Only this much, but it's easy to see. Just normal to change the blend mode, normal to darken, so we can see underneath. And also this sharpened looks up just like this, add the black lines. But let's see, change this blend mode. You see, so much different. This is interesting, isn't it? Exclusion. And maybe soft light overlay. Overlay makes more lighter on the sapphire. Even the 50%. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna use this overlay as effect, and also I wanna use this multiply. Shows the black lines more strong edge, or just darken. But it's showing 50% now. Go up to 100. Shows more direct lines. About multiply. Multiply goes darker, huh? So I may tone down just a touch on multiply. So why did I make duplicate? Now I'm gonna copy on that, and I'm gonna change to overlay for one. About 50%, and also multiply. That's 60 now. I'll make it 70, 80. I can change it later. Okay, just keep it this way for this 2-line pencil drawing type image. Now I'm gonna make mask on this mini image. Make mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal with, what's this, Glover? Oh. Well, let's try this. Materials to Glover. Okay. About 70%. What's this color come from? That's interesting. What's this color come from though? I didn't expect it about this. Oh, background has color. Well, maybe that's because of this overlay. Shows, okay, lighten up. That's why it has more warm tone in it, huh? Okay, that's cool. But I was gonna do lighten up only stone. But in this case, I can, let's see. Don't you think lighter is better? Well, this is now reveal. I'm gonna make hide some around here. Well, I'm gonna have this color, same color on this area, so I'm gonna add one layer over this, then paint on same kind. Well, I'm gonna use just airbrushing, soft blend, then pick some this color, magenta, and a little bit orange-ish. Well, now I'm gonna paint on this layer. More saturated. Nice to have more texture in it, so I'm gonna just change the brush, painting. Well, I'm gonna use the same texture of this, so materials, same global. Yeah, it shows more sharp edge. Okay, go with that. Now on this, now clear, then again I'm gonna add with same brush which I reveal, mask material to global. Okay. Yeah, that's about it, I think. Don't need to touch more, no. I like it. How about, well, about this dark lines around the 4x5 film edge. Well, take it out, maybe, yeah, just make mask. Just hide the black lines in this. Well, pretty quick, but I like this image. Yeah, not for commercial. I just like this light image, and even though Sapphire has this kind of dusty mask, but that's okay to me this time. Well, real quick. And thank you for watching my video, and I guess this is it for today, and this is real intuition. I just made different image from the my old shot. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day. I really appreciate for you guys support, and see you next time. And bye now. Ciao.